Welcome students. In this video, we will solve the revision worksheet. So the first question in your worksheet is fill in the blanks, and in that the first question in fill in the blanks is during digestion proteins are broken down into amino acids. Light energy is the form of energy which produces the sensation of vision. So as you can see in the first question, during digestion, the complex substance are broken into simpler substance. So protein is a complex substance and it breaks into simple substance, that is the amino acids. Energy, light is a kind of energy, and it produces the sensation of vision. That's why because of light we are able to see the things around us. Which kind of acid milk contains? So milk contains lactic acid. Now an erect and enlarged image can be formed by concave mirror. We have two types of mirror. One is convex and the second is concave mirror. So because of the concave mirror we can form an erect and enlarged image. Now the insects, butterflies, honeybees and birds help flowering plants in pollination. So we can see the process of pollination through these insects like butterflies, honeybees. They are scattering the pollen grains, and that's why this process is known as the pollinations. Okay, so the insect, butterfly, honeybees and birds help flowering plants in pollination. Now the next is match the following. The next question is match the following. In that you have to write the correct answer in front of the question. Suppose the first question is the material that do not conduct heat are called insulators. Uneven heating of earth generates wind. Fat, examples fatty acids and glycerol. Methyl orange in acidic solution gives orange or red color. Virtual image. So virtual image is the image which cannot be formed on the screen. So these are the answers of the match the following. Now the next question is multiple choice questions. So what is the common name of sodium bicarbonate? We all know that sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. Now the following are precautions one must take in case of a storm. Okay, when the storm is accompanied by lightning. So do not take shelter under tree, correct? We should not do these things when we have the storm with lightning. And do not take shelter under an umbrella with a metallic rod. That sentence is also correct. Do not take shelter in open garage, storage sheds, etc. That is also correct. So which sentence is not correct? The last one, do not take shelter in a bus in the open. Okay, so this is not correct. Now the next question is lime juice will turn blue litmus red. This is the correct answer. What is the lime juice? We know that it's a base. It's an acid. Lime juice, this citric acid, and it turns blue litmus red. As we know that acids turn blue litmus red. Now the next question is the finger-like outgrowths of amoeba helps in digest food. However, the finger-like outgrowths of human intestine helps to digest. Now we have four options. First, digest the fatty food substances. Second, make the food soluble. Third, absorb the digested food. And the fourth is absorb the undigested food. So the correct answer is C, absorb the digested food. Next question you can see, forests are not responsible for. So for which the forests are not responsible? For first, providing medicinal plants. Forests are providing the medicinal plants. Maintaining the flow of water into streams, they are doing that. Creating flood conditions. This statement is wrong because forest never creates the flood conditions. Okay, they helps in the flooding time, but they never creates these conditions. So the C option is not correct for this forest. That's why we will opt the option C. Now the next is give one word for the following. So the question is the process of taking food inside the body is. Answer is ingestion. Ingestion is the process of taking food inside the body. Substance which gives a range of color that can be used to determine the level of acidity or basic of a solution. That is the indicator. so indicator helps us to know that which substance is acidic or which substance is basic by showing the different colors. Now the next is the process in which the heat is transferred in liquids. That is called the convection. Okay. Now the next is the wind from the ocean carry water and bring rain. This phenomena is known as water cycle. So what we are calling it? We are calling it water cycle. Now the next question is the simplest form of carbohydrate, that is the glucose. You all should remember this. Glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate. Now, a transparent material which is bounded by both or one spherical surface is known as a lens. Okay, so lens means this is a transparent material which is bounded by both or one spherical surface. As we already studied the mirror, and when we will join the convex and the concave mirror, then we will get the lens. Okay. So maybe two convex mirror, maybe two concave mirror we will join. So it depends. So we have also the two type of lenses like the mirrors. Large scale felling. Felling means the cutting of trees. So large scale felling of trees is called deforestation. Okay. So if we are cutting the tree in a large number, that process is known as deforestation. Now the next is ionic compounds generally formed by neutralization of an acid with the base. Neutralization means when we are having the acid in the base, they are having some property. Okay, but salt doesn't have these properties, neither of acid nor of base. So that's why it is a neutral substance. That's why this process is known as, because the neutral substance is formed during this reaction, this process is called neutralization. So ionic compounds generally formed by neutralization of an acid and with a base, because of both of them are nullifying the effect of each other. That's why we are calling it a neutralization reaction. Now the very short answers. Why does a base applied to your skin give relief from an ant bite? So what is the reason behind it? We all know that because the effect of acid that the ant releases when it bites you, it releases the formic acid. Okay. So because of the effect of acid get neutralized, therefore we feel relieved. So how it is neutralized? When we are applying the base. Okay, so the main reason is the base. So it is asked in your question, why does the base applied to your skin? Why does the base applied to your skin give relief from an ant bite? So because the ant is releasing the acid and you are applying the base, so this is the neutralization reaction. So the salt is formed. Okay? So this base is nullifying the effect of acid. That's why it is neutralizing the acid. That's why you feel relieved from an ant bite. So now the next question is, the handle of a pressure cooker is covered with the thick plastic. Okay, with a thick plastic. So what you will say? As we know that the plastic is a bad conductor of heat, due to which the heat from the cooker does not flow to its handle and we cannot hold it easily. Okay, sorry, we can hold it easily. So this is a reason because of which the handle of a pressure cooker is covered with the thick plastic. Is that clear? So now the next is the question, that is A. A is the name. A got her gallbladder removed surgically as she was diagnosed with stones in her gallbladder. Okay, so the gallbladder removed surgically after the this operation. The gallbladder of that person whose name is A removed from the body. Okay, as she was diagnosed with stones in her gallbladder. After the surgery, she faced problems in digestion of certain food items. So we have to tell that which type of food item, okay, that she was facing problem in digestion, which kind of food item. You have to mention the name of the food items when consumed in bulk. So can you tell which kind of food item would they be and why? So after surgical removal of gallbladder, the person, means A, would face problems in digestion of fat and fatty substances. Okay, so the answer would be fat and fatty substances when consumed in bulk. Okay, so when fat and fatty substances, if the person will consume in bulk, so there will be lack of digestion because the gallbladder is removed. Okay, so why? What is the reason? Because the bile juice stored in the gallbladder helps in digestion of fats. So what is not there? That is the bile juice. Okay, and from where the bile juice is coming? Bile juice is coming from the gallbladder. That's why the person is facing problem in digestion of this kind of food like the fat and fatty substances. Okay, so now the next question is, Paheli kept an empty bottle made of plastic inside a refrigerator. After few hours, when she opened the refrigerator, she found the bottle had collapsed. Explain the possible ways. So what you have to explain here? You have to explain the contraction of the air. And why? Because of the drop in temperature. So on cooling the air, contraction of air takes place. The air inside the bottle contracts due to low temperature. Okay, what you did means what the Paheli did. She kept an empty bottle made of plastic inside the refrigerator. So the temperature will be low in the refrigerator. So after a few hours, when she opened the refrigerator, she found the bottle had collapsed. Why? Because the air inside the bottle that contracts because of the low temperature. So hence the bottle collapses due to the outside pressure. Okay. So inside the air contracts, that's why the outside pressure is more than the inside, that's why the bottle collapses. Okay. So now the next question is acid. How can, this is the, uh, you will not see this acid. The question is, how can a neutralization reaction be used to prepare common salt? How can a neutralization reaction be used to prepare a common salt? So what we know about the common salt is NaCl. So what we need for the neutralization reaction, we need one acid and one base. Because we have sodium chloride as a salt, so we need hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. So sodium we will get from the sodium hydroxide and chlorine we will get from the hydrochloric acid. Clear? So the preparation of common salt like sodium chloride involves the neutralization reaction between hydrochloric acid, this is HCl, this is a hydrochloric acid, and the sodium hydroxide. This is the base. Whenever we will see the hydroxide, as I told you when we were studying the chapter, when you will see this hydroxide, that is the base. So the acid and the base reacts. Okay, these two will react to produce sodium chloride. And what will left? This OH and this H. So this H that is H2 and this O. So water. So water is also formed as a side product, and also there will be some kind of heat will be released when this reaction is taking place. So this is the reaction that you will write in a form of equation. This is the chemical reaction, and chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction is taking place, and how we can represent this chemical reaction in the form of equation. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2. Okay. So what you will write? You will write, the question is, how can a neutralization reaction be used to prepare common salt? So we can write, we can take hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, and then this sodium hydroxide will react with hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride, that is the common salt, and also water and heat. And you also write some equation. Okay, whenever you will get the different question, if there is chemical reaction, so you will write the chemical equation for that. Now the next question is, a flat in Mumbai with a balcony facing the sea has some clothes hung on a clothesline in the balcony. Towards which direction the clothes will be blown in the afternoon? You have to explain it. So as during the afternoon the land becomes hot, which ultimately creates hot air above it. Okay, so the land is hot, so it will create hot air, and we know that hot air rises up, okay, because it is lighter than the cold air, cool air. Okay, so hot air rises up and there is low pressure created. Clear? So the winds from sea start blowing towards the land, and the clothes will be blown towards the house because sea breeze blowing towards the land. So I hope you have understood this because we have already discussed the land breeze and sea breeze in the chapter. And the last question of that is, which base will you take as medicine if you are having a stomach ache due to indigestion? Okay, so as you know that in stomach we are having an acid, and which acid? This is the hydrochloric acid. So it is such a strong acid. So for nullifying the effect of an acid, we have to add some kind of base into our stomach. So what we are doing, we are having this kind of medicine which is having base, like magnesium hydroxide is the base. It is a mild base. Okay, so this is also known as antacid. We are having this kind of solution when we are suffering from this stomachache due to indigestion, not other kind of stomachache. If you have indigestion, only then you will take this medicine. So which can be used as a medicine to cure stomach pain due to indigestion. It is very important to remember that if you have a stomach pain due to indigestion, only then you will use this medicine. So it is also called the milk of magnesia. So I hope you have understood how you will write the answer. Now the next question is cellulose. This is the last question of your A section, means the very short answers. Cellulose-rich food substances are good source of roughage. Okay, roughage, you know that it helps in digestion in human beings. Justify. So you have to justify this statement. Means you have to write something about this statement. How we are saying that this statement is correct. You have to justify this statement. So what you will write? You will write cellulose-rich food substances are good source of roughage in human beings because the cellulose digesting bacteria are not present in the body of human beings. Means जो cellulose digesting bacteria है, these are not present in our body. Okay, so due to which human beings cannot digest cellulose present in plant foods. Clear? So cellulose-rich food substances are good source of roughage in human beings that we can see. Now, thank you for watching my video. I hope you will do well in your exam. Thank you.